For the first time in school history, SVSU on May 7th will host commencement ceremonies outdoors in Wick Stadium. This unique setting, coupled with unique circumstances, mean graduates and their guests will gain entry in a unique way. To show our graduating seniors and guests how to gain entry using their reserved tickets, we will tell the story of one particular senior and how she did a few things right and at least one thing wrong when she arrived to her commencement ceremony. Oh, there's Emily. That's the hero of our story. To tell Emily's story, we begin shortly before she leaves for her commencement ceremony. At this point, Emily needs to make sure she has her reserved tickets ready before she leaves. Her first step is to find the confirmation email sent to her way back when she first registered for commencement. She does this by going to her email search engine and typing in confirmation@etix.com. Score! At this point, Emily can print her tickets, or she can perform the same email search on her phone, where she can either take a screenshot of the tickets on her phone, or save it to her phone's digital wallet. Now, either ticket will work when it comes time to enter the stadium, but Emily plays it super safe. She prints the tickets and saves it on her smartphone. Now Emily is on her way to making her big day happen. She's been working hard for years to get to this moment, and nothing is going to get in her way. Oof. You okay, Emily? Alright, good. Oh, you know what? I'll bet this twist becomes relevant to the plot later on, doesn't it?
Watch out! What you looking at? Stand back! Stand back! Watch out! Yeah, we stepping out! Stand back! Stand back! Ooh, like that!
Emily finally arrives at the stadium for her commencement, and with her printout, she will use this ticket scanner to gain entry. So that's the noise that means her ticket was denied. In Emily's case, the ticket was denied because the barcode on her printout was damaged when she took that spill earlier. Fortunately for Emily, she unknowingly solved her own problem earlier in the day when she also saved a digital version of the ticket on her phone. Oh yeah, yep, that's the noise we like to hear. When Emily's ticket barcode is scanned, it expires. This will prevent others from reusing her ticket, but it also prevents Emily from being able to leave and re-enter the stadium later. But I don't think she's going to want to miss a minute of this special day.